Hello, my name is Lisa Foncannon, and I am a personal trainer and fitness instructor at the Chilson Recreation Center and Senior Center in Loveland, Colorado. I am encouraging you to shelter in home, and so I'm bringing you a workout from home. This is a circuit style workout that would be perfect for beginners or seniors, but you can also modify up or down as you see fit. I am not going to use any equipment other than a chair. If you would like to add equipment such as tubing or weights, you are welcome to do that as well. As I mentioned, this is a circuit style workout. We do a 2-minute warm-up and then 30 seconds strength, 30 seconds cardio back and forth. So are you ready to get started?
Starting the session.
All right, let's just start marching in place, okay? I hope you have some water with you too, just in case. If you need a chair to hang on to, feel free to have that turned so that you are hanging on to the chair as well. Now let's just go ahead and make that a little bigger now. Add your arms. You can bring those knees up bigger. You can make it bigger this way or faster, whatever you need to do, okay? How about let's step and touch, step, touch, step, touch. There you go. Okay? Good. And back to marching in place. Let's roll our shoulders back and do some wrist rotations. And of course, we always like those hip rotations. And direct the other direction. I always like you to do a few toe tapping too. You can tap in and out. You can pull that toe towards your knee. Change feet, tap in and out. And pull that toe towards your knee. And ankle rotations are really important too. If you need to hang on to a chair, feel free to do that. You can leave your toe down on the floor as you rotate your ankle, or you can balance and then rotate the other direction. And change legs. Make sure I'm thinking of everything.
20 seconds.
And rotate the other way. Good, and let's take a nice deep breath. And blow it out. Our first exercise is what I call stand-ups. You can do squats if you prefer, but if you have your chair, I want you to sit down in your chair right now, and we're going to get started. So stand up right from your chair and back down. Now you might want a foot slightly ahead of the other, or you may want them solid. But the most important thing is you want to brace your core. If you need to, you can push onto your thighs, but try not to. Think about standing up straight and tall, not bending forward or leaning forward, but straight up and tall with a lot of confidence. Okay? Now let's go back here and let's march forward 3. You ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You can touch or lift that knee. You can go at a different tempo than me. Add music to this. 1, 2, 3. Hello. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, we're going to do that same exercise. So find your chair. Make sure you're safe sitting down. Ready, and stand up and down. You can go faster. You can go slower. You can also go a little bit more to the edge of your chair and just barely touch that chair if you know how to do squats and are safe doing that. And again, you can do squats in place. Your speed, your tempo. Good job. Okay, forward, back again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. My app says rest. We're not resting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I should have started with the other leg. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. That's right. Oh, don't trip on your chair. I'm in a tight space here trying to video for you. There you go. Good job. Next one is we're going to pull, and then push. The pull is like really tightening up that side, pull and push, okay? Pull, pull, push. Pull, pull, push. Now obviously you could add weights to this or tubing if you have it. You could also do wide, wide push, wide, wide push, wide, wide push, wide, wide push, wide, wide push. Okay, let's just march in place. And it's up to you, again, your speed. And you can speed this up if you want to, or you can make it really big, up to you. But make it a good march for you. You should pay attention to how you feel all the way through the exercise. And each exercise, make sure you feel good, okay? And that the exercise feels safe. Okay, we're going to go back into that pull, pull. Ready? Pull, pull, push. Pull, pull, push. Pull, pull, push. Now I'm going lower, so this means a little bit another squat in there, okay? You may not want to do that. You may have gotten enough squats in already, okay? Good. Now march in place again. Oh, we're not resting. I hope you're getting a workout. Okay, you can also change this to a little bit of a jog if you want to. I would keep your feet low to the ground. There's no reason to go crazy unless you are ready for that. You can certainly jog hard if you want to. Make the workout your own. Okay, our next workout, our next part, is going to be a wide leg squat. Now I can turn my toes out pretty far. That may not work for you, and you may need to hang on to your chair. But you want to try and go straight up and down and not bending. If your toes are more forward, your booty may go out a little bit more. That's okay. All right, just squats. Now, as you do that, if you're not having to hang on, or if you are, you can do a one-arm bicep curl, or if you're not, two-arm bicep curl. Okay. Ooh, oh, opposite elbow to knee. Whew. See, this is tiring me out too. Opposite elbow to knee. You don't have to touch. I'm not touching. Okay? There's a little bit of rotation if you're comfortable with that. If not, again, you can hang on to your chair and just do the knees. All right? Okay, back to our wide leg squat. I'm not going to hang on this time. Wide leg squat. Palms up, squeeze, squeeze. So you're getting in that bicep curl. You could also slow this down, or you can speed it up, okay? Lots of options here. As you go through the workout, if you want to do it again, you can change it next time. Good. Bring that back in. Opposite elbow to knee. Good job. I hope you're feeling good. Hope you're feeling good. Ooh, we're getting there. Yeah, we're doing it. You're doing it. Keep with me now. Keep with me. Good job. You're going to need your chair for this one. For most people, you'll need your chair to balance. We're going to do a mini squat, mini one-legged squat. So it looks like this, okay? Doesn't have to be very deep. But you're trying to just balance with that toe. If you're comfortable on one leg doing that, that's fine. Otherwise, you leave it there. And then you take the other arm and do a tricep kickback. So it's on your booty. Squeeze back, strengthening the tricep, okay? Good job. Oh yeah, we're going to step sideways. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I got out of my camera view there. There you go. Keep with me. You can do it. Okay, I'm going to do that mini squat this time without the chair. okay, with the other leg, and I'm going to have both hands on my booty, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Can you see me okay? So I'm tightening my triceps and balancing. You can also slow down and just balance, or lift that leg up and balance, okay? Lots of options here. Whatever you need to work on. All right, now my chair's my way from my side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this can be a grapevine. Step across, out. Step across, out, or step behind, out. And of course, you can slow that down. It does not have to be my tempo. Okay? Good job. What's next? Oh yeah, you definitely need your chair for this one. We're going to sit down. Have a seat. Put your hands on your thighs. Sit toward the edge of your seat, not far enough it falls over. And press down. Blow the air out. Deep breath. Blow out and press. Breathe in. Blow out. As you're doing this, you're pulling your belly in and blowing all that air out. And breathe in. Oh, we're not done yet. Get back up. Good job. Oh, you did another stand up there. No tripping on your chair. Heel to rear. Heel to rear. My small space. Hard to video and have my chair in here. There you go. Again, you can hang on to your chair. Okay, that's all right. You can slow these down. Good. And let's sit back in our chair. Same thing, but instead of pressing down, I want you to press across. So take this arm as if you're rotating. You're going to push, rotation pattern across, and then switch and push. Breathe in and blow out. Breathe in, blow out. If you blow through pierced lips, you have a tendency to brace yourself that much more. So it's like you're doing crunches. Okay. Oh, let's get back up. One more stand up. There you go. And heels to rear. Heels to rear. Good. And again, you could work on your balance. You could do 1, 2, 3 and hold. 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 Good job. Roll those shoulders back. Good job. Nice deep breath. And blow that out. And again. And blow that out. Let me stop that. All right. I'm back. All right. 1 foot forward in a lunge, or if you prefer to be in your chair, you can be in your chair. We're just going to hold that, okay? Let's go ahead and go to the chair. That might be easier. If you want to do your regular stretches, that's fine. One leg out in front. Make sure you can see me. Toe up. Nice and tall. Hinge forward at the hip and hold. Good. That felt like it went faster than I expected. So I'm wondering if I missed something. You can always go back through. And toe down. Can't see me very good, can you? There you go. And relax. And toe up. Hinge if you need to, or just tall, it might be good enough. And toe down. And relax. Turn sideways in your chair. Lean into your chair. Okay, so I don't want you to fall. And however you feel comfortable putting that leg back so that you get a stretch right here on your hip. Good. And relax. I hope you enjoyed this workout. And again, you can change it around as you see fit for you. Please take care of yourself. Stay safe. And a good deep breath again. Do more stretches if you need to. Blow it out. Round your back. Pull it open. And thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day.